Hello, welcome to the Real Men's Math channel. For this video, we're going to solve all about differential calculus, more on derivatives. So for you to subscribe and get the latest updated videos, just subscribe my channel, the Real Men's Math and Music channel. So for this session, we're going to solve about derivatives, all about differential calculus. So here is the problem. Y is equals to x raised to the power of x. So we're going to solve for dy dx. Okay. Solve for dy over dx. Solve for dy over dx or y prime. Okay. So solving for derivatives, first we're going to have our solution. So this will be our solution. Okay. First move is you're going to copy the problem. So this is y is equals to x raised to the power of x, and then for you to easily get the make it simplified, just take the natural logarithm both sides. So we cannot get ln, we cannot get ln. So the equation it looks on this pattern. So this is ln y equals to x ln x. Have you remember the properties of logarithm? If we have x, or if we have 2 ln x, so we can rewrite this as ln x squared. So this is the property for the logarithm. Okay, and then we're going to differentiate both sides again. So we're going to differentiate this with respect to dy over dx. So we're going to differentiate this. This is d over dx. Okay, this is d over dx. Okay, and then have you observed for the if we have derivative du, this is ln u, so this is du over u. So okay, for this on this part, we focus on this part first. So ln y, so our u here is y, so our u here is y. We can have it as, we can write this as u. Okay, so our u is y. Okay, du with respect to x, so this is 1 multiplied by y prime, or just simply y prime. So it's okay. And then for this part, we can have it as d over dx du over u. So we can have it so this is du, okay, over we rewrite again the formula to make it simplified. So this is d over dx close parenthesis. So we have this is du over u, and then this is equals to, okay, have you observed that this is the product of derivatives? So this is u, this is v, u dv plus v du, okay. This is u dv, okay. So this is the formula for the product of derivatives. So this is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So this is the product of derivatives. So again, we can have it as okay. And then we can rewrite this. So du over u. Have you observed our du here? On this, our du is y prime. So this is y prime over y, okay. Is equals to, what is our u? Okay, u is x, okay, u is x, dv over dx. So this is d over dx, or we can, okay, for you to easily solve the problem. So this is x ln x, so this is u, okay. This is u, this is v, okay. So our u here is x, so therefore our du over dx is simply 1, okay. Our v is ln x, so therefore our dv over dx is equals to this is du over u, therefore our dv over dx is 1 over x, okay. Well, the problem is simplified. So back to the problem, this is u dv over dx, so this is the dv over dx. We can have it as is 1 over x, okay, plus what is our v? Our v is ln x. Our v is ln x du over dx. This is simply 1. Okay, and then have you observed that we can have the cancellation technique? Are we going to cancel this? So this will cancel, okay. The remaining equation will be, this is y prime is equals to, this is this y prime over y, so this is 1 plus ln x, okay. This is cancel again, and then we're going to get the cross multiply, okay. We're going to get the cross multiplication. We can have it this y prime, so this is y 1 plus ln x, okay. Have you observed that Have you observed that Ry is x raised to x for the given problem? So therefore, we can rewrite this as y prime is equals to this y, this is x raised to x, and then this is 1 plus ln x. We can have it a close parenthesis. So therefore, or we can rewrite this both answer, or we can have it dy over dx. This is dy over dx is equals to xx, then 1 plus ln x, going to have the plus parenthesis. Okay, and then this will be our answer. Number 1, and then number, okay, we can have it number 2. So they are both correct. So this the solution for this. Okay, they are the final answer. Okay, back to the problem again, solving for derivatives. For y is equals to x raised to x. First is you need to take the natural logarithm, and then apply the differentiation formula for natural logarithm. D over dx of derivatives of ln u, so it's equals to du over dx over u, and then apply the cross multiply, and we're going to have the answer y prime is equals to y cross parenthesis 1 plus ln x. So this will be the simplified answer. Y prime is equals to x raised to x close parenthesis 1 plus ln x. So far for this video, for you to subscribe and get the latest updated math videos, just click the ring bell or ring button. So thank you for listening, watching. Thank you.